The Courthouse Loop ride was everything we hoped it would be. We have never mountain biked before.
She actually had to talk me into it because I am a road guy, and it was so much fun.
Moab is famous for having all kinds of trails. These trails were specifically designed and made for the beginning rider so that they can have a good time, have a great experience. Even though this is an introductory type trail, we have all kinds of things that you can experience, like riding slick rock.
The terrain on this ride was so interesting and had so much variety. I thought, if I ever biked on the moon, I think this is what it would look like. We had great variety of scenery on this route.
You have great views into arches.
This blows your mind away how wide and vast what you're looking at is.
One of the things that's really fun for me is to introduce this sport to somebody who's never tried it and then find them by the end of the ride just having the time of their lives. And by golly, you've got a new mountain biker right there.